Good morning, kindergarten. Today we're going to do the morning message for Thursday. Here we go. Let's put our finger on the G for good and we'll read it together. Good morning. Today is Rilling Thursday? Oh my goodness, that doesn't make sense. Good morning. Today is Rilling Thursday. What do you think we need to put here to make it the word thrilling? Say the word thrilling. What two letters do you think need to go there? You said a T and an H. You're right. And then we have Thursday. Say Thursday. What two letters do you think need to go for Thursday? It's going to be a digraph. If you said a TH, you are correct. So, good morning. Today is Thrilling Thursday. Let's go ahead and talk about what do we make uppercase in a sentence? What do you make uppercase when you write a sentence? You're right. We make uppercase letters when we are starting a sentence because the first letter of a sentence is always uppercase. You're right. Days of the week are always uppercase. What else is uppercase? When we write a name, so if I was to write my name is Stacy. I would make my S uppercase. We do months of the year, you're correct. And it is now April, so I would make the A uppercase in April. What's something else? When I is by itself, it gets to be uppercase. And then a place. So if I wanted to say I went to Walmart, I would make Walmart uppercase because it is a place. So those are all things that we make uppercase. Beginning of sentences, places, names. When I is by itself, days of the week, and months of the year. Good job finding all the uppercase letters and doing a couple extras. Let's take a look at these pictures here. Match the pictures and the words. Here's a Jeep, a seal, and some soap. Say the words Jeep, seal, soap. Ready? Jeep, seal, soap. Now we have to figure out which word goes with each. So this is a Jeep, so look and see which word do you think goes with Jeep? If you said this one and you drew your line to this one, you are absolutely correct because when we hear Jeep, we hear the J and then we hear P and we hear the P, E, and then we see double E's. Double E's say what? They say E, Eep. You do it. Ready, go. Good job. Now we have a seal. Which of these words do you think is seal? Oh no, they both start with S. What are we going to do? How are we going to figure it out? If you said that you were listening for the ending sound too, for seal, you're right. You would hear the L for seal. Now, I know I've talked about this with some of my friends, but maybe not both of our reading groups, maybe just one of the reading groups. I don't really remember. But when you have two vowels next to each other, so we have the vowel E and the vowel A, and they're next to each other, they're going to go walking. And the first one is going to do the talking. So it would, when it says it's going to talk, it's going to say its name. And then the A is actually going to hide. S-E-O. And so that'd be an easy way for you to tap it out. But you could also look, seal. No, there's an S and an L. So then our last one is soap. And you would draw it there. Now, what reading clue do you see here? I just talked about it over here. And you're right, there's two vowels. They're going to go walking. When two vowels are together next to each other, they go walking, and the first one does the talking, and then the second one stays silent. So then it's soap. There's a really fun song called When Two Vowels Go Walking, the first one does the talking. I'll post a link for you to listen to the song. And so after you're done with the morning message, I want you to listen to that song. Okay? Perfect. Here we go. So now we need to use these words to complete the sentence. I want us to figure out what this word is. It's not a sight word, but it does have a reading clue that might help us. Ta-a-ka-e. That's not a word. What reading clue? I know it! That E is going to pinch that A, and that A is going to say A. Now I know it's T-A-K. Because remember that E would hide. And I can do this trick on this word because I have a vowel, then I have a consonant, and then an E. Vowel, consonant, E. On vowel, consonant, E words, you can make that vowel a long vowel. So now we have the word take. Take the blank to the store. Take the blank to the store. What word do you think should go there? Take the blank to the store. Take the soap to the store? Well, that would be silly. We're not going to take a bath at the store. Take the seal to the store? If you're taking a seal to the store, you might get in trouble. Or take the Jeep to the store. Would I drive my Jeep to go to the store? Probably. Take the Jeep to the store. Now let's do this sentence. Ooh, and I love this sentence because it's going to start us off with a digraph. The digraph SH. And what does the digraph SH say? Shh. So now we have wash. 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 Wash your hands. Ooh, another digraph. What if? What if? Wash your hands with blank and water. Wash your hands with blank and water. Ooh, what should we wash our hands with? You're right, we're going to wash them with soap. I'm going to write the word soap And I see the two vowels go walking again. And I know that O is going to say O. So let's read the two sentences together. Ready? Take the Jeep to the store. Good job. Wash your hands with soap and water. Perfect. Let's look down here at this math problem. We have tens and ones, and we know how to do this with a 10 frame. We talked about this last week, I believe, but when we have a long stick like this, it means there's usually 10. We can go ahead and count them, and I'll count them with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know there's 10 there. And then we know there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many 10s do I have? I have 1. How many, if I put those blocks into a 10 frame, how many full 10 frames would I have? I would have 1, right? If I put 10 blocks into a 10 frame, I would have 1 full 10 frame. So how many 10s do I have? I have 1 10. How many extras do I have? I have 6. So I know that I have 10. 1 10 makes 10. 1 group of 10 means I have 10. And then I have 6 extra ones. So I am a smart mathematician, and I know that 10 plus 6 equals 16. So all together here, if I was to count them all, I would have 16. I know the funny number for 16 is 10 and 6. So the funny number for 16 is 10 and 6. We are all done with morning message. Go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. We have made it to Thursday. You are doing such a great job, and I will talk to you tomorrow for morning message. Bye-bye.